Ever pondered about the magic behind your smartphone's operation? The answer lies in a world that may seem complex but is incredibly fascinating. The world of semiconductors. These minuscule components are the lifeblood of modern technology, powering devices from your everyday smartphone to high-tech medical equipment. At the heart of a semiconductor is the structure of an atom. Visualize a nucleus in the center, encircled by electrons in orbit. In some materials, such as silicon, these electrons do not bind tightly to their atoms, which allows them to move with relative ease. When voltage comes into play across a semiconductor material, it generates an electric field that directs the movement of these electrons. This migration of charge, in essence, is what we refer to as current flow. However, the flow of electrons in a semiconductor is not as unrestricted as in a conductor like copper. Here's where the intriguing concept of doping steps in. By infusing impurities into the semiconductor material through this process, its electrical properties can be manipulated. The addition of trace amounts of certain elements can either increase the number of free electrons, known as N-type doping, or create holes for electron movement, referred to as P-type doping. Combining regions of differently doped semiconductor material, such as N-type and P-type, results in the formation of a p-n junction. This junction acts like a one-way street, allowing current to flow in a single direction. Applying this knowledge to basic circuits, consider a simple diode circuit. A diode composed of a p-n junction permits current to flow in one direction while obstructing it in the other, making it indispensable for tasks like converting alternating current to direct current in power supplies. Another fundamental semiconductor device is the transistor, which amplifies or switches electronic signals. By governing the current flow between two terminals, transistors form the backbone of a multitude of electronic devices, from amplifiers to microprocessors. The realm of electronics, from semiconductors to current flow to basic circuits, is as captivating as it is intricate. As technology relentlessly advances, our comprehension and application of these remarkable components will also progress. Thank you for embarking on this journey into the world of semiconductors. Until our next exploration, remain curious and continue uncovering the marvels of science and technology.